Hey, hello guys, my name is How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually scan QR codes from Roblox to add your friends or let your friends scan them. Now I'm going to show you where you can find them and how to actually use them. Now it's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox application, as you can see right here. Now from there, what we want to do, we want to go to the button right corner where it says more. And from there, open up the profile right below Marketplace. Now here you see your little icon, and here we want to go to the button left icon right besides Edit a Profile. So open it up, and here you can see your own QR code. Now what we want to do, we want to go to the top right corner to scan the QR code of your friends. So the little icon in the top right corner. Now here you can see that my camera pops up. Now to actually scan this, simply let your friends grab their Roblox account and go to this QR code, and from there you can scan each other's QR codes to actually add each other's in the friend list. Now it's easy as that. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.